There you go. Alright, what's up guys? Neil here, Rowdy's YouTube channel. We're going to be doing another video on this here camper. Today I'm going to be taking off these drawer handles, and I'm going to be taking all of those things off and painting them nice flat black, you know, and then I'm going to do these countertops a nice white countertop paint. And then I'm going to be cleaning up this here too, getting some fresh paint put on that. And then I got to take care of this here water damage here, so I'm going to be cutting out a piece of wood, just like about, you know, yay big, just a nice square wood. Get that old rotted stuff out there, put that new wood in there, then go ahead and get it painted and sealed. And then obviously it rotted for a reason. There's got to be a leak, so now I've got to go up here, I've got to check around here, reseal this. Looks like there's a little gap right here that I'll need to go ahead and reseal. And then I'll have to get out and look on the roof and see what kind of shit we got going on up there to see why it leaked, basically. This thing right here, I'm not really feeling that brass. I think I'm gonna do a little something custom right there. I think I got something planned for that. And then it looks like this one, since it goes to the outside, it's got a little strip, it's got like a little weather stripping here, so we're gonna, oh yeah, this is nasty. We're gonna definitely be replacing all that, getting rid of that. Oh man, what the hell? The latch is off, the hinges are off, this thing is, oh my god. Oh yeah, this guy just fucking painted this thing shut, didn't he? Gosh damn it. I guess he decided he didn't need that. Ooh, these hinges are gonna need some work for sure. Yeah, and then whenever you guys want to take anything apart, whether it's a camper or basically anything in life, take it apart, put all the hardware that's alike in bags. I got all the hinges in this bag with the screws that they use, the short screws. Then I got all the handles in this bag with the screws that they use. And then I got all the little retention ones with the screws they use. See, all separated nice and neat. That way when I go to put this shit back together, it's gonna be nice and easy and it's gonna work out real nice. Alright, so we're making progress. I got this piece cut out, and this part's pretty dark right in that corner. I may even cut farther, honestly. Or I may just, that's probably good, honestly, where I'm at, but it is pretty dark right in that corner. I may like to cut back to some better wood, but that's okay. Cool, there's the countertop out. And I'm gonna replace it with something nice. Either do like a nice slab of something, or maybe just, for now, maybe just do a piece of plywood and hit it with the countertop paint. That way it's just nice. Use some cool trim for the outside or something, but yeah. So I whipped up this countertop because I wanted to replace the old one. Since I took out that stove, there was a big old hole in it. I wanted just a nice flat countertop, and then I'm going to keep the sink and the little faucet. So I go ahead and drew the holes. I traced them out from the other one, and I'll go ahead and cut those guys out. But I wanted to make sure the piece of wood fit, and I got it cut nice, and the thing fits real nicely in there. I'm actually going to paint it with the countertop paint, and then once I get it all ready to go, cut out, ready to go, I'll get it bolted in. And then I'll go ahead and run a bead of silicone along this edge. That way, if water splashes up in here, the water won't go behind the sink and get, you know, run down into my area here. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I got the new countertop made. I got all the countertops painted. I got the hardware and the cabinetry all painted, making it look nice. And then I fixed the water damage, and I got most of the gaps filled with the bug screen that I want to do. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead, stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to be replacing the mattress and also remaking the seat cushions for the dinette, and redoing the table and whatnot for that, making that nice. And yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.